Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga igala. I'm Mich and for today, I will be sharing my Crinkles recipe. Okay? So, no need ng mixer. All you need is the ingredients. We have powdered sugar para pang coating later. Then, granulated white sugar, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, salt, flour, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, and melted dark chocolate. Okay? So, in your bowl, mix first all your dry ingredients. Your flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and your salt. And then your cocoa powder. Okay, set aside. Mix muna natin si melted chocolate with your vegetable oil. Yan. I use Beryl's dark chocolate. Okay? Tapos, add natin sa mixture and also dalawang egg. Okay? And then mix. If medyo sticky na, change to your rubber scraper or wooden spoon. Okay, and then after that, get your gloves. I also have here cookie sheet and my ice cream scooper. Okay, and then you get small scooper. Yan. Okay. Depende sa'yo. If you want big crinkles, go ahead. Malaki gamitin mo. And then, after that, get another cookie sheet para dito mo na ilagay. Okay? After that, roll mo siya sa confectioner sugar. Okay? Okay? Then, bake. So, here's your crinkles. It's baked already. Pa-cool down mo bago nyo i-serve or kainin. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!